why can't I add my debit or credit cards to my PayPal account? So if you are logged into your PayPal account but you are not being able to add your credit or debit card, this could be due to a couple of reasons. The first is make sure that your PayPal account is verified. Now here you can see submit info to access your funds, and if your PayPal is not verified, you will as a result not be able to link the card option that you can find at the bottom. Now billing address that you entered when linking the card, if it doesn't match the one on your card statement, that could also be the reason. It could also be authorization charge, and because PayPal sends $1 authorization charge to your card issuer to verify the card is active. Card limit, you might have also reached the maximum number of cards allowed on your account, and whether the card is already linked. The CSC code could be if you have entered it incorrectly 3 times, that could be the reason. Your PayPal account might be logging in into PayPal with an account that's different from the one the card is associated with. It could also be the card might have linked to a PayPal account that's since been closed. Confirmation means you might have linked the card but not yet confirmed it. Card limit, if you have exceeded your card limit with PayPal, that could also be the reason. So I hope that this video helped you understand as to why you can not being able to basically add credit or debit card to your PayPal account. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.